Okay, today let's talk about analysis of variance. Analysis of variance is a key method which is used to test if there's an effect of a treatment on some quantitative variable. A key distinction for analysis of variance is that the treatment is implied in a few different ways, more than two ways. So we've got several groups to compare. Here's an example. You've got four groups of students, and we've got a bunch of different teaching techniques, and we want to know which one is the most effective. And so these students, the teaching technique is applied separately to a bunch of different students. There's teaching techniques 1, 2, 3, and 4. After a specified period of time, we then give them a test and compare their marks to see which one was most effective. If you compare this to what we saw a couple of weeks ago, we met the two-sample t-test a few weeks ago. The two-sample t-test lets us compare the averages across two quantitative samples of quantitative variables. So if we had a treatment and a control, two-sample t-test is the way to go. The thing that's different here is that we just got more than two groups. That's the only difference. So instead of treatment control, we've got method 1, 2, 3, and 4. Instead of saying, is the mean in the treatment the same as the mean in the control, we want to say, do we have evidence against the claim that the mean is the same across all four treatments? mu1 equals mu2 equals mu3 equals mu4. That's the only difference. We're basically doing an extension of two-sample t-test for multiple groups. And the method we use is called analysis of variance. Okay, so looking now again at our summary slide. Oh, it's nearly full, isn't it? Look at that. So we're nearly there, we're nearly at the end of the course. But if you think specifically about the question of relating a categorical and a quantitative variable, we learnt before to use t-test for that. Now we're going to think about what happens if our categorical variable has more than two categories. So we're going to fill in this bit of the table.